by 1.
That's this Tuesday here at the arena. Gretchen Sultana serving. Wow, with the runner.
Nakagawa ulit tuloy ang Meralco rito sa pamamagitan ng isang running attack galing kay Coco Wang. At happy birthday kay Jeannie Puno, isa sa mga player ni Coach Mac. Ayan na naman si Mildred Fragante, happy birthday, ang isang executive producer sa GMA. Sino pa? Gusto mo, belated happy birthday, Mark Zambrano. Oh, meron pa.
Happy birthday sa lahat ng celebrant.
Lahat ng Agosto. Mga...
Alam mo kung sinong ganyan? Month-long celebration palagi pag birthday. Si Barry Pasqua.
September yon. Aabangan po natin yon. September 4 ang birthday ni Barry Pasqua. Month-long yan. Para si Greg Traqueña, nasaan na ba yun? Yung mga month-long celebration. Tingnan natin kung magiging set-long celebration ito para sa kupunan ng Smart as Jen Reyes keeps it alive. Eto ngayon si April Jose. Ruby De Leon. And Charo Soriano scores para sa Smart. Ito si Charo, October ang birthday. Pwede rin month-long. Pwede rin month-long. October 14 po. Birthday ni Charo Soriano. 10-8. Ang ating score, Ruby De Leon on the serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Phil Cainglet, airborne. Pinanganak naman yan, January 30. Lahat na ng birthday. Pakita natin, Jen Reyes on the dig. Free ball. And Oliver Almagro did not like that. Here is the runner for Sue Roses. April Jose. Coco Wang. Long rally. Combination play. Maruba na tikla. Nasakip ni Micah Morada. Phil Cainglet gives it up. Here's De Leon, running attack. Sue Roses, kept alive again by Morada. Jose going to Cainglet, blocked by Roses. Reyes, Cainglet. And Soltones keeping it alive. Eto ngayon si Banatikla, hindi na masasakit yun.
Meralco seems to be a bit disorganized. Ang bilis at nagmamadali yung galaw sa loob as we see a substitution here.
Carla Bello papasok na, setting change. And Oliver Almagro still all over April Jose. Kahit na umupo na siya sa bench. So Carla Bello, the former captain of Ateneo, going up against her former best friend dun sa team na yun, si Charo Soriano. And a good serve there. Coming from Ruby De Leon. Kanina pa ito si Ruby. At ngayon tatawag na ng timeout ang Meralco.